Hello and welcome everyone. This is Dipanshu, your host for today's session. I believe each one of you can hear my voice and see my screen. If yes, quickly confirm me in the chat box. Yes. Thanks, Sushma. Thanks for confirming. Thanks, Vedi. You can message to everyone rather directly messaging me. Thanks, Kanchan. Okay, so I believe rest of the other people in the session also can hear my voice and see this screen in front of you, the digital marketing orientation session, right? Can I have a quick reply from everyone? If anybody is facing any issue in hearing my audio or not visible, the screen is
No, sir.
not visible.
No, sir, it's clear.
Perfect. Thanks, Ujjwal. Perfect. So thanks everyone for confirming me. So let's quickly start this particular session where we are going to discuss about digital marketing opportunities, how you guys can go ahead can learn digital marketing in a better way, and how you all can achieve the different objective that you guys are keeping with the help of digital marketing. Right. So I believe each one of you in this session is really looking forward to become a effective digital marketer. Digital marketers who actually can produce the result in industry, not the one who just learn the digital marketing from anywhere. Right. So if I talk about agenda of this session, that what valuable things we are going to discuss in this session, which really add value to you, and ultimately you guys going to get that opportunity to go ahead and understand this industry more deeply and connect it with your further objective. So whether your objective is anything, you want to do job in digital marketing, you want to do freelancing in digital marketing, you want to start your own agency of digital marketing, or want to like do something of your own, right? Like start some passive income option for yourself. So anything, whatever your objective is, you'll be able to relate this skill and able to understand how you can grab that with the skills we are helping you. Okay, and what is the right structure to achieve all those things, right? So the next thing is agenda of this session. Let me quickly create it for you. So the first step we are going to discuss in this session, it is introduction. I'll give you a small introduction about myself, then about the organization as well. I'll like complete it very quickly. In second step, I'll be talking about what, why, and how of digital marketing. It is very important topic for all of you because it is something you really want to understand. It is something which will really make you clear that how you go ahead in this industry and how you achieve the different objectives. Third option is right structure to learn digital marketing. Right. So let's suppose now you know what is digital marketing, how to achieve right things in this, but there is a certain structure that everyone should follow to acquire the best skills, right? If we are going in certain pattern which help us to go ahead and grab maximum knowledge, so what will be that pattern, what will be that structure, we'll be talking about this. And then how to get jobs and freelancing opportunity in digital marketing, how to set up your own business in digital marketing. Then most demanding topic right now, it is artificial intelligence in digital marketing. We are also going to help you to understand how artificial intelligence is like impacting the whole digital marketing industry and how you guys can take that advantage of AI as a digital marketer. And then at the end, we'll be discussing. There is a surprise for all of you who are joining this session. And trust me, that surprise is really worth it. So if you are in the session till end, you will be going to get that surprise for immediate redemption. Okay, so first thing about me, I'm your mentor for today's session. My name is Dipanshu Jaiswal. I am heading the marketing at IAM Skills. And the best part, I'm also going to teach you some of the session on marketing automation, AI, and the different other things. There, you will be able to like ask me the different questions as well. I am in this industry for more than 10 years. So I also can help you to guide you about how you can go and achieve your different objectives with the digital marketing skills, right? So I'll be helping you out in this session. Throughout the session, anyone has any query related to any career objective, you can ask me in the chat box. Then and there, I'll help you to get that answer. Okay. So this session is only going to be interactive when you guys interact with me. Okay, so don't expect I am only talking. I'll be asking you very like different questions throughout the session. And if you guys want this session to be interactive, I just suggest each one you to reply immediately so that it can complete quickly and it should be an interactive session. Okay, so can I have a quick agreement from everyone? For agreement, you can just say AG or you can say yes. Anything, just type in the chat box. Okay, perfect, Ujjwal. Okay, Tejas, Zain, Vedi, Michelle, Avishka, Tushar, Shravani, Sushma, Sunny. Perfect. So you guys are very quick. Ishani, that's perfect. So each one of you is replying. I need this kind of response from each one of you throughout the session whenever I ask any question. So you really found and get the value actually you are in this session for. Okay. So that's all about me. If I'll talk about further, then IAMSkill's journey. Let's quickly like read that. In 2015, we have started with Digital Marketing Master course, and Mr. Founder or Mr. Vaibhav Kakkar, who is a founder of this organization, started with more than 10 years of experience in digital marketing domain. So he implemented digital marketing in various forms through blogs, through various other websites as well. He reached more than millions of traffic using those techniques of digital marketing. And once he understands that how proven structure is there, which can help you to produce result, he started with the program, right? Then in 2016, just starting after 1 year, we have completed more than 1,000 professional training in digital marketing, which itself a milestone. And by the year 2018 complete, we were present at that time in more than 33 countries, and now the number is 55. We are available in more than 55 countries in 2023. In year 2022, we ranked number one by India TV in their ranking for highest placement record. So they did a survey where most of the people or students get placed by a company for digital marketing related opportunities. And IAMSkills ranked number one in their survey. And then if I talk about in 2023, we are staying ahead again with the curve. We are again staying ahead the competition. And right now we have an AI-based digital marketing course, which usually nobody is covering in their digital marketing courses. People even not implementing in their own organization. They are teaching the standard digital marketing course, but we come up with the first organization with AI-based digital marketing course in 2023. Right? So there is an advantage. I believe each one of you are aware about AI. Quickly say yes or no. Yes, 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 yes. Tushar, Tejas, Zen, Shakha, Sushma, Akash, Shravani, perfect. So most of you are aware. The people who are not aware or not replied, I just want to create it. AI is something right now in the industry where rather doing manual work, which is taking more of your time, you are actually taking the help of machines, where machines are reading the patterns and behavior of your audience. And based on that, they are creating the processes, they are creating the like content, and they are creating the concepts, everything. And they are helping you out to just reuse that pattern for every time without manually implementation, right? So you're not going to repeat the process again and again. AI read it once and AI will do it for you, right? Similar way, the AI understand your requirement and provide you the solution. So there are various things you can use the AI and can reduce the performance time implementation. So let's suppose if you are performing something in 5 days or 3 days, you actually can do that task in 10 minutes or in like 1 hour or 2 hours, right? So it will reduce that much of your time bandwidth or help you to do more tasks, help you to like go ahead and like give a better growth to your organization because now your performance is already boosted, right? Okay, so that's all about IAMSkills. We are just covering two more things in this about introduction where we have a mission and history. In mission, our mission is very simple. You guys can see we are providing very affordable education. If you compare with any course in the industry, you found the courses from the range of 40,000 to 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, right? But our course is even like more affordable than those organizations and providing you better opportunities in terms of learning, in terms of updated content, in terms of like your, you can say, the paid internship, hands-on experience and everything, practical implementation, everything will be there in this particular program that we are offering you now. Then history, if I talk about, as I already shared, Mr. Vaibhav Kakkar started with various other projects, reached more than millions of people digitally by implementing digital marketing different techniques. And with the help of fellow trainers, you will be learning in this particular program how you guys can achieve the similar kind of objective. So a quick question to all of you. I need reply from each one of you. What your objective to learn digital marketing? Why you are here? You want to get a job? You want to become a freelancer? You want to go ahead and run your own agency or want to do something your own? Or you are actually running a business, want to grow that, or you want to shift your industry, you want to restart your career, anything. Whatever your objective is, just write in the chat box immediately. Okay, Avishka, hello sir, now I have finished my 10, I scored 81, that's great. Can you tell me the which? Okay, you want to make your career in AI. Okay, freelancing and grow business of mine, that's great, Tushar. Vipin is saying freelancing and run digital marketing agency, perfect, possible. Better job and industry shifting, possible. And then learn a skill, obviously you will learn this skill. And then Sunny is here for freelancing. Definitely, then you learn a skill, but you want to apply that skill somewhere after learning. It's not just learning for learning, right? You want to apply it somewhere. Okay, freelancing, fifth generation of computers. Okay, become an AI engineer. Okay, Avishka. And what about others? There are various people in the session. I just need the reply from each one of you guys. Durgesh, Hussein, Michelle, Pratap, Ritu, Shravani, Sushma, Swati, Juhi for job. Okay. Because if you guys answer, then I'll be able to take this session in a similar way so that I can connect with you guys, can help you how you can achieve this. Vanshika, okay. I want to stay my own DM, start my own DM agency. Okay, got it. Sushma is saying for job, become an engineer, upskill myself and get better placement. Definitely. Okay, perfect. So now I have a like objective of multiple people. Like there are people who want to do a job. Some of you want to run freelancing. Some of you are actually looking for run agencies in digital marketing. Like suppose want to do something their own. Hello, sir. Which branches diploma is better in computer science, education, or artificial intelligence and machine learning to make career in AI? See, Avishka, that definitely completely depend upon your educational background. But right now, what we are talking about is AI with digital marketing, right? So if you want, you just attend this session. Let's see how digital marketing industry is like helpful for you. If you can align with this, then definitely you can go ahead and do the digital marketing with artificial intelligence. Or if not, then definitely you can go ahead with some other courses as you're mentioning, right? So Pratap, it's freelancing agency. Hossein is also looking for freelancing. Perfect. That's great. So each one of you has a different objective. Some of you want to run agency. Some of you want to become freelancer. Some of you want to do it for your organization as a employee, like want to get a job in digital marketing. Some of you want to apply it on your on their own business, right? So each one you have a different objective. So now I just wanted to understand, as you all want to become a effective digital marketer. So what is one thing common in all of you guys? Whether you do freelancing, like where you have to serve your client, you have to produce result for your client, or you run an agency, there you also have to produce result for your client. You work for a organization, there you also have to produce result for your organization, show them what kind of performance you can boost for the organization. Then you stay with the organization only, right? Similar way for freelancers, your client will stay with you when you helping them to get results. Same for the agencies, your client or the companies associated with you will only stay with you for a longer period if you're continuously giving them the results. Otherwise, they will move to some other person, right? Right, absolutely show it. Right, you have to send some kind of content, conversation. You have to, all of you, whether you are a freelancer or you are a business owner, or you are a, like you can say, agency owner, or you are an employee in digital marketing domain, or you're learning it for something, creating your own. Right, in all the ways, the one thing is very common. You have to produce result in digital marketing. If you learn digital marketing and not producing result, you just learned it for the sake of learning, then trust me, nothing can be fulfilled. No objective you can achieve. So if you are looking to learn it, just make sure you learn it till the depth. You will learn it to produce result. You learn actually how to get results, right? And how you will get that, how you will learn that particular technique where you can produce the result. We are talking about this in right structure to learn. I'll teach you that how you guys can go ahead and learn it. Sir, I don't understand freelancing. Okay, very, very simple. Freelancing is something where you're not working for any company. There you're not working as a running your own company. You're working as an individual and you're serving to various clients. There is no physical location of your office. There is nothing. You just sitting at your home or maybe sitting any like co-working spaces, or maybe you can have your own space as well. There you can just serving to the various clients. You're not bounded with one, two, or other companies. You are free to serve anyone, right? So those are freelancers. Okay, so guys, I believe it is clear to everyone, and I guess it is also clear to everyone how important it is to produce result in this industry. If you're not producing, your client will leave you. If you are a freelancer, if you're not producing result, your company will fire you. If you're not producing result, your agency won't get more clients, or your agency won't hold the clients, right? So in all manners, you have to produce result, and how you produce the results, we'll be talking about this now. So now it is about what, why, and how of digital marketing. So what, why, and how of digital marketing, we start with, as you all want to become a digital marketer, do you ever realize when you become the digital marketer, what are the expectation of your organization, your clients, or your other companies? If you are an agency, what will be the expectation that those people are looking at, that you need to fulfill for them? Just mention me in the chat box quickly. What will be their expectation? If I am a digital marketer, what my organization want me to achieve? If I am a freelancer, what my client want me to achieve? If I am a like agency owner, what the company associated with me want me to achieve for them? Okay, right? Depend on business objective of the company, branding, etc. More lead conversions, right? Hussein is saying meeting their requirements, right? Tejas is saying branding. Okay. What other people think? What they think? What will be your work? Because it is an important question. Don't think it like it's a basic question, but it is important. If you're looking for build a career in something and you're not aware what to do in that, right? So it is a serious concern to rethink about it. So if you are actually aware that what things are going to be there, what you're going to produce for your client, what expectation you have to fulfill, then you can learn the things in that way so that you can help them to achieve. You learn it to help them, right? To generate revenue, perfect. Business growth and client satisfaction. Company expect from us to complete their work on time. Yes, but definitely you have to do the work for the company if you are getting paid. So leads, conversions, educate customers well enough about product and services so that we can whatever necessary conversion we are looking for, solving the problem of the client, avoid negative word of mouth. Okay, absolutely, Hussein, you're good. And more people, like any guesses, any other people like who still not replied, I just encourage them to do that. Okay, so somewhere, if I have read all the responses you guys have shared with me, leads, business growth, like say conversions, right? Branding and reputation, right? All these things are something which I understand you guys able to relate with, right? Some of you saying leads, which is customer acquisition, generate more customers for the organization, generate more leads for the organization. Some of you think it's branding, promote brand visibility, increase the brand awareness in the market, right? Some of you feel that your work is going to be business growth, generate revenue, right? Some of you think it is post-sale things like what people are talking about, your client satisfaction, your like taking care of negative words of mouth, all these things, right? So I have mixed responses, and the best part is you all are correct. These all are the things which your organization is going to expect you have to achieve for them. And there are core four, you can say, points or four objectives your organization look for. And all four you guys covered. One, lead generation, customer acquisition, right? These are both are same thing, lead generation or customer acquisition. Second will be branding, right? Increasing the brand visibility. Third, revenue generation. They want to sell their product. They want to increase the revenue, directly sell them and generate the revenue for them. And the fourth is they want you to take care of their online reputation. Whatever people are talking about them, whatever like you like clients who are not satisfied or satisfied, you just take care of those people, help them solve their problems on the online platforms and all. Right. So this is how all the things taken care by like digital marketers. Right. So you are also going to do all these things. There are certain more objectives that people can ask for. Right. But definitely these are the four something which are the very like exactly people look for and differently. If you are a freelancing, if you're doing a freelancing, if you're running an agency, right, maybe you get a customer for everything. Like sometimes you get a customer who is looking for a lead generation, sometimes you get a customer who wants to build a brand, sometimes you get a customer who want to just go ahead and want to take care of like their online sales. You just have to promote or sell their product using the ads, running your Facebook ads, Google ads and all. Right. So every time you get a different client requirement, you have to serve them. So if you are aware about all the skills, it will be easier for you to go ahead and serve in the market. Same for the employees like who are looking to get a job. They can take care some of the responsibility in digital marketing department, like for lead generation or their social media related management and all everything. But sometime if you're getting a better opportunity somewhere with some skill set, there you have to do more tasks. There you have to, apart from lead generation, apart from branding, there you have to take care of ORM as well, online reputation as well. So if you are aware about all these objectives, how to achieve them, then you are available for those opportunities. You can make yourself like you can say eligible for those opportunities, right? So, and the one catch is here, when you guys achieving these things, let's suppose you are generating lead for your organization, you are generating like or creating brand visibility for your organization, you are going ahead and helping them with more revenue by selling the products directly, or you are also helping them with online reputation. Do you know how you can achieve all these four objectives by focusing on very simple thing? Do you know what is that particular thing? If you focus on that, you can achieve all these things. Right? Might be you people are thinking right now that to generate a lead, there's some different strategy. To do the brand promotion, there will be a different strategy. To generate the revenue using or directly sell over the FB or like Instagram ads, there will be a different strategy. Or maybe you're taking care of online reputation management, there will be different strategy. You guys are right. There will be different strategy, but all those strategy comes from a single focus. When you are focusing on that particular thing, you can achieve all these results. You can help your organization to get leads, brand visibility, revenue, and reputation as well, right? That one thing is, any guesses? Anyone wants to guess like what particular you need to focus, how you can generate more leads, how you can create better brand visibility? Just guess quickly. I'm giving you 5 seconds. Five, four, three, 2, 1. Okay. Sunny replied only. Rest other people not have replied even. So that is by connecting business with digital platform. Okay. So if you are aware, yes, or you don't want to guess. Sushma is saying analytics. Okay. Ujjwal is saying social. We are again moving out from the point. Shamni is saying marketing. Yes, we all have to do these things. So guys, stop. I believe you're not got my question correctly. So it was only that you have to achieve all these things: leads, brand visibility, and your revenue generation, online reputation management. All those things you can achieve only by focusing on one thing, and that focus should be reaching out to your targeted audience, right? You just keep a note of this particular line only in your mind, that reaching out to targeted audience, right? Whatever the targeted audience is there for your product or your services, you just have to reach out to those people, reach out to those platforms where they are available, reach out to all those places where they can be, right? If you are doing that correctly, if you're applying your right strategy of lead generation on those platforms where your audience is, you are getting the quality leads, you are getting the more leads, right? Similar way, if you are doing the branding in front of those people who actually kind of interest in those kind of product, you will be able to generate more revenue, you'll be able to create a better brand visibility, right? So if you are just focusing on that particular key thing in digital marketing domain, reaching out to your targeted audience, you can achieve your most of the tasks, whether it is lead generation, brand building, or anything, right? I can show you with one very fine example that how it is going to happen, right? So for that, I'm just sharing my screen with you guys once again. Another screen. Okay, I believe you guys can see this. I'm searching for best mobile phone under 20,000 rupees. Let's suppose I'm searching this on the internet. You guys usually search like this, right? Whenever you try to buy some products, you will search like this. And what will you see? You see these kind of advertisement, the first, which are sponsored ad. Here in sponsored ad, you will see the company like Amazon, Chroma, or maybe you also can place your ad here by putting some money in your Google Ads. So these are only possible when you run Google Ads. And in Google Ads, there are 8 different kind of advertisement. So one of them is shopping ads. And these ads are called shopping ads because it is giving you the shopping intent. You have an image, you have a specification, you have a price here, you have a directly purchasing option here. By clicking on this link, you can purchase this phone directly from this website. You will go on buy now page directly, right? So it is one thing you will be getting as a result when you search for best mobile phone under 20,000 rupees. Then when you search for, if you go beyond and if you see the other option, 91 mobile, there is one website is here. You open that and you see in this website, they are not selling the product directly. What they are doing, they have an option to buy it from Flipkart. They are giving just the information and they are putting the link of other websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Chroma. You have Amazon, you have Chroma, Amazon, right? Similar way, if you go on other websites more like Gadget 360 here, you will also see these kind of things. Flipkart links are here, right? And Amazon links are here, right? Then Amazon links are here to buy it from here. They just give you the information and give you the option to purchase it from these shopping websites, right? And then you have an Amazon link here, Chroma link here, right? So what is happening? What have you noticed? Right. So if anybody is coming from the intent of shopping, Amazon is trying to target those people from this shopping ads. So Amazon is making sure that Amazon ad or Amazon visibility should be there when anybody is searching for a best mobile phone under 20,000 rupees. And they make sure that they should be available for every person who is having a buying intent, who just click on this and buy that product. Or let's suppose if someone is not that frame of mindset to buy it now, what that person will do, that will go on these websites to search about which phone to buy, And there, let's suppose I seen this 4 5 phone, then decided, let's suppose I want to buy a OnePlus Nord 1. I'll see here it is Amazon. Amazon is making sure that the person who is not yet sure about which phone to buy, that person will get the opportunity to buy it from these websites, which are called affiliate websites. So these 91 Mobile is not selling the product themselves, but what they are doing, they are giving the information, they're putting the effort in SEO, which is search engine optimization, right? You guys know that these results are sponsored, and second result where you are not seeing any sponsored option, these results and these results, these are SEO result, which is organic results. So if you get yourself here, you can even get that kind of audience. You see here how much 91 Mobile getting every month, 7,51,000 people on their website. So if you're running the ads for getting the 7,000 people, if per click is going to be 10 rupee even, so it is somewhere around 75 lakh rupees you are spending on marketing if you're not ranking here, right? So if you rank through organic result, then definitely it will be a great advantage for your organization, and we teach you how you can place yourself or get yourself ranked among these results. We ourselves are ranking, right? So we know how to get rank in these results. Then once you learn about all these things, once you get the understanding, like what Amazon is doing, Amazon is targeting people from here. Even if I go further on this website, you will also see the link of Amazon, right? So people who are even comparing have a different mindset, not to buy the mobile phone right away, just compare and then buy. Even Amazon is targeting those people with the help of these websites. Even going further, you will see that they have their own website ranking here, or their My Smart Price. There's a different website also ranking. Their own website is ranking here, right? So they are trying to target each kind of audience who is coming from various other platforms or various other mindset. So if someone came from this mindset to buy, they click on this, buy from Amazon, buy from Chroma. If they came on these websites, they compare and they buy from these websites, right? So ultimately, they are getting the customers. So same approach you guys have to follow on each platform or on each particular like opportunity which you are getting. Or let's suppose if you are thinking your targeted audience is available on these platforms, they can come from these platforms. You have to go ahead and approach them. So if you are reaching out to your targeting audience in right manner, you will get the customers through all different sources, right? So I believe now you guys able to relate with it, how it is important to reach out to your targeted audience. If understood, quickly write in the chat box understood. If not, you can ask your questions, I can definitely help you to answer. If understood, quickly write UD or yes, anything. Both are perfect. Okay, that's Ujwal, Hussein, Sunny, Vishaka. Okay, what about others? Vanshika, that's great. Perfect, Shravani, Ishani, right. So the one thing is very clear. If you guys want to become successful digital marketer, want to produce good result in this industry, you have to keep your focus on your targeted audience. So if you're reaching out your targeting audience very well, you can produce any result for anyone. Whether you have a various clients, for every client there can be a different audience, right? If you aware, if you get this technique correctly, that how to reach out to those targeted audience, then trust me, no one can beat you in digital marketing industry, right? You always available for your audience wherever they are. So if you are available for them, definitely they get the option of yours, they buy it from you, right? Okay, so now you guys able to understand. Just give me a second. Yeah. So now you guys able to understand that yes, how important it is to reach out to your targeted audience, and what the question I asked you, that what your work will be, how you achieve that, what will be your focus. All these things comes after you become a digital marketer, you effective digital marketer, right? What is before that? Before that is how you become that person, how you become that effective digital marketers, right? So for everything, to achieve anything in life, you have to follow a certain process, right? If you want to build a body, if you want to build muscles, right? If you want to get abs, you have to follow a routine. You have to follow exercises. You have to follow a diet, right? For achieving everything in like in industry or in your life, there's some patterns are there which you have to follow, which can help you to get those things at right manner, right? So if I talk about that particular thing, so who all should join this course? So we already are here. The people who are looking to build a stable career, want to get a job basically, digital marketing professional, freelancers, passive income, like people who want to just generate some passive income sources, right? Business owners and the working professional looking for growth, people want to start their career again after certain gaps and all. They all can join this course, and we already have all these people available in this session. Okay, so now we are talking about the right structure to learn digital marketing. So what will be that structure which can help you to achieve those results, right? Which we were talking about: lead generation, revenue generation, branding, and online reputation, effective results. How you guys go and achieve those. So let me quickly help you out. The first step we follow in our training is insightful learning. Why we follow insightful learning, not only learning? Because only learning is something where we just start your training today, start teaching you tools. Okay, this is the tool for doing SEO. You have to put your keywords here and you will start doing the keyword, or you can say you will start doing the SEO for these keywords by just doing these steps. Right, that is something I'm talking about the platform, and then I am teaching you the tools. Right, I'll teach you the method how to do it. Right, so that is only learning. But why we are teaching insightful learning? Because insightful learning make more effective peoples, right? If you are just learner who just learn the particular tool or something, you just can replicate the same thing whether it is like required or not in that case, right? Digital marketing can be different case to case. If you're selling shoes, or if you're selling holidays, or maybe if you're selling some medical product, there could be a different strategy needs to be followed. But if the person who just learned the tools, they follow the same strategy in every manner, irrespective of what is the opportunities are available of throughout this platform. So why we are saying insightful learning? Insightful learning, what we do, we first teach you that how this platform works. What are the things this platform give more values? What are the tweaks and tricks you will do which can help you to achieve better results? Right. Once we teach you all those understanding how this platform work, how like they rank the system, how Google rank people on the SEO. Once we teach you all these things, then we are going to teach you how to do it. Right. So what will happen? Let's suppose I am doing a branding for a shoe company. So I am applying the same strategy, but I am aware if I do this, this platform won't give me the value in this product. So rather doing this, I should do that. Right. I can do my own things. I can do my own experiments. Right. As I am aware about how platform works. So once you have a understanding how platform works, you can be more effective. So that is our idea to teach effectiveness and how we teach insightful learning. So even if you go on our website, even if I'll show you here, okay, so even if I show you here, then it is a 5 months of training where what we do in first 3 months. In first 3 months, we teach you insightful learning, right? What is that learning? In that learning, we teach various different topics practically. Like if you see introduction, digital marketing is here, then web development is here, SEO will be there, Google ads, your search engine marketing will be there, all kind of paid ads, not only Google ads, Bing ads and all also be covered. Email marketing will be there, inbound, social media, digital marketing is strategy creation for freelancers, for the people who are running their own agencies, for the people who are looking to get a head position or a strategist position in their organization in future. It is very important topic which can help you to understand how to create a 360-degree marketing plan for a business. So for an example, let's suppose you are an agency owner, you are a freelancer, or maybe you are, let's suppose, a marketing manager of your company. Your company will come to you and don't say do this and that. They don't tell you what to do. They just tell you the objective. We need to generate more leads in this quarter. We need to reach here, right? We are giving you the 50,000 rupee budget. Create a strategy based on the ROI. How would you do this? You will be blank. Why? Because if you are the person who just learned the tools, you never knew how to create a strategy, how to build that kind of strategy which produce maximum business for this particular product or services. So in integrated digital marketing strategy, you will learn how to create a 360-degree business plan, which can help you to understand what is the best ROI for this, return of investment, right? So how much you apply in each platform, what kind of integrated strategy you create, that how much money needs to be invested on social media, how much money needs to be invested on like Google ads, and how to create a combined strategy which gives you the best result for your client, for your like companies associated with you, or for the organization you are working for, right? And if you are aware about those things, then trust me, your organization will always love to like work with you, or your client will love to work with you because you are helping them to understand or achieve maximum ROI. Then you have a web analytics, online reputation management, e-commerce, Quora marketing, affiliate marketing, people who want to generate their passive income. It's a great option, affiliate marketing. As I just shown you how 91 Mobile is doing. It's, let's suppose I am a person who is very techy, right? So what I'll do, I'll just start writing about technologies. If you are a person who is very good at traveling, very good at foods, very good at like fitness, so you can create something like this and can start helping people with the links of those products of Amazon, of other websites where they can go and buy those products. Yes, I'll be coming on that part, Muhiba, so don't worry about it. Right? So all this will be covered in this video marketing, marketing automation, digital, like helping you to create your resume, right? So all these things you will be learning in the course. And in 3 months, you will be practicing on it as well. So if you see here, the first is insightful learning. The second is live practices. Where the SEO is search engine optimization, where you are ranking yourself on Google, you're getting yourself ranked on the first page of Google, right? But you are not paying to Google for showing your result. It is organic results. Without paying, you are ranking on Google first page. How to do it? We teach you. Right? So, second step is live practices. So, how many of you think that learning digital marketing is enough to work? Learning will never be enough. Trust me. Once you learn something, until unless you don't practice, you cannot be confident on that thing, right? So if you want to become confident on your skills, then practice those skills. So that is our idea. We want each one of our students to be confident on their skills. So what we do, whatever we teach in this 3 months, so even if you see all these things which we are teaching, we will be teaching you with various projects. We will be teaching you with various tools you will be working upon. And the best part, you all will create a website of your own, www.vedigen.com, www.vipinkumar.com, anything. I'm just giving the example names. You can create anything, whichever you like, and you work on those projects throughout your 3 months. You practice each skills which we are teaching you in those 3 months. Once you practice, you will be confident that yes, now I am good at this skill, and now I am not good at those skills, so I can make it my strength. I can relearn those things. I can practice more on those things which I am not good at, right? So once you aware that what kind of practices you have done, where you have a like, you can say you are very much flawlessly you're working, or what are the things where you're putting more effort to produce result. So you are aware each and everything, and you are confident on your skills now, right? So what do you think? You learn something, you're confident on your skills now by doing certain practices. Will it be enough to get a job in the industry? If you go to any person and say, give me the job, I learned everything. You can check in my resume. I did a course from IIM Skills. I did my practices also on my own website, did some projects, right? Will they give you the work or not? Will they give you the job or not? Quickly reply me, guys. Yes or no? Sunny is saying no. Zain is saying no. Okay. Hossein is saying no. Okay. Vishaka is saying no. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So the people who are thinking no, you won't get a job, you're absolutely right. In some time, it happens that usually people will get the job basis on what they say, right? But in this industry, people don't get the job what they say. People get the job what they build, right? Everyone wants to see what kind of practical experience you have. Absolutely right, Sunny. So when you go for a job in the market to get a job, or even if you are a freelancer, when you go to have a client, when you talk to some client, the first question people will ask you is, do you have something to show me? Have you done similar kind of work before for any company? Can you show me what kind of result you produced for them? If you say no, then they look for someone else who already did those kind of things in past, right? In job case, people can hire you at a lower package, can teach you, but in freelancing or agency case, it cannot be happen. In those cases, people won't hire you as an agency if you don't have done any prior work. They don't hire you as a freelancer if you don't have any reference things to show them, right? So getting the job, getting the work in the industry is two-way, like you can say, game. If you are confident on your skills, if you learn very well, it is not making it sure that you will get a job. But yes, if the other person who is taking your interview, if your client, if those people are confident on your skills, if they are aware that yes, if I hire this person can do my work. If I'll hire this person, that person can complete my project, right? If I hire this agency, they can definitely help me to get the results. If they get that confidence, then they hire you. And how they will get that confidence? Once they see your portfolio, you already did these things in past, you helped other people to achieve that. How you get that portfolio? So in our training, we provide you a 2 month of paid internship. In that paid internship, you guys will be working on 8 different projects. These projects are here, you will be working for. And after working for these projects, you will be producing a result for them. And those results you can publish or mention in your portfolio, right? So there will be a 2 month of paid internship after completion of this course. After you complete 3 months of your learning, you will do a 2 month of paid internship. And then that paid internship is the best part. You can do it in flexible hours. So you not have to come every day office. You not have to log in from your home morning 9 to 5. You can do it after your job if you are a job person. If you are business owner, you can do it in your free time. If you are someone who is learning or doing your education, you can do it apart from your college hours or apart on your holidays, Saturday, Sundays, right? So you can work like this in this internship, and after completing those projects, you will get a stipend of 6,000 rupees as well, right? It's Indian rupees of 6,000, which you will get back in your account after completion of those 2 months of paid internship, right? So ultimately, in 2 months, you will be building a strong portfolio, which is making sure you will get a work in the industry, and also you will get paid for it, right? That is something, it's really helpful for our student. That's why we ranked number 1 last year, because most of our students going for the job with their portfolios and they get selected, right? So if you are available with your portfolio, nobody can like ask you to leave from the interview. They want to see your portfolio. They take you in consideration always, even with the experienced people, because you are sharing the results, right? That is the reason mainly why fresher people not get much opportunity when it's come to hire someone fresher or experienced. People always prefer experience. right? Why? Because they want to bet on someone who already producing result for on something. So if you are going as a fresher with some portfolio where you are showing them, yes, I am already producing result, then it will be more easier for you to crack a job as a fresher in the industry, as a freelancer or a fresh freelancer in the industry to get your first client. Later, you can give the example of your clients, but to get a first client, you have to have a portfolio. Then you have a fourth step, which is job and freelancing opportunity. We help our student to get job and freelancing opportunity throughout their process. We have a job portal. They can apply it from here. They can go here and they can apply for any job of digital marketing which are here. We have posted various jobs here. There will be remote jobs as well. You guys can apply for those as well, right? So there are various jobs available you guys can apply for and can like get connected with those companies. Apart from it, we also have more than 150 plus placement partners across the industry who help us with the local job opportunity available in your city so that we can connect with you. Those are like job partners or placement partners and they can help you to get that job, right? So all these jobs are there. You can apply for these jobs, connect with these companies, and we totally help you to get placed in these companies. Along with it, the fifth step we will be talking about it upskilling, right? So what you guys think that if you guys achieve these all things, like you learn something, you practice it very well, you build it a portfolio, we given you the opportunity, you go there and you crack those opportunity as well, you get a job, right? Is it over now? What do you think? Now you are a person who get the job or getting the freelancing client, who running the business very well, who are producing the result. Now it's enough for you. Can you do it throughout your life consistently? You cannot do it consistently. Why? Because digital marketing is something which is keeps on moving. It's a evolving industry, right? Every time you will see the new platforms are here, new techniques people are using, right? And those old techniques getting outdated. So you have to apply a new strategy every time, right? So that's why we have an upskilling option. And I have mentioned upskilling at the fifth step because you only can master this industry if you are keep learning the new things in this industry. You are keep updating your skills regularly. If you're doing that, you will be in top of the like green people in this industry who are getting most of the advantages. If you're not updating yourself, maybe you learn it today, 2 3 years you work in the industry, then you're not able to produce results anymore. And then people will ask you to leave, your clients will move on to the other agencies, your like freelancing client will also move on to the other freelancers who is more updated than you, right? So keep on yourself updating is very much required. That's why the fifth step is upskilling. And for this step, we also take care of our student for lifelong. We have this lifetime access option. So people who join us, let's suppose the people who join us in previous years, they not aware about AI related learning. But in 2023, we have launched AI course. So the best part, they still can log in and can learn the AI based learning without paying any extra amount to us. They lifetime can check out the all latest sessions happening in our digital marketing course, and then they can go ahead, can learn all these things without paying any extra cost. And for AI related course, now I'm just coming on that part. You just see there is a button, artificial intelligence marketing professional. You see here, or you can also go from here in the courses marketing program AI. It is a different program, and in this program we teach you all these things: website creation using AI based content research, then chat gpt for market research, then you have a canva mastery where AI related apps are also enabled in canva, then you have a AI based youtube channel creation. Usually people create the video in like in numerous hours, but with the help of AI you can create it in few minutes. And how you will do that without your voice, without your face, you how you will do that, you will learn that complete process in the program itself. How to run that successful channel without your voice, without your face, using the AI related technology, and create like you can say 5 videos in a day, 10 videos in a day, not putting 5 4 days to create a one video. right? So you will learn all these things, which will help you to boost your productivity as well and to produce better results in quick time, right? Then you have a predictive analysis, how to predict future of any particular, like let's suppose your organization launching a product and what you want to like analyze that what kind of response will be there in the market. So how you can use the AI related technology to predict those future for the upcoming product or upcoming services that you are launching. So it will be really helpful for your organization to prepare accordingly if you are aware what kind of like predictions are there, right? If you able to predict what kind of response will be there in the market, you will be more effective. You can take care of all the, like you can say, things not going to be in your way, right? You can prior make a plan for all those things. So this particular course separately available at a cost of 24,000 plus GST, which is total 29,382 rupees. Our digital marketing course is available at a price of 29,000 plus GST, which is about 35,000 all inclusive, right? So as I shared with you guys that the people who stay in this particular session till end, I'm going to help you with guys one surprise, and that surprise is you guys will get our digital marketing course, this one, which is our standard course, which worth rupees 29,000 plus GST is total 35,000 rupees. You will be getting this course. Along with this, AI-based digital marketing course, which costs separately at 30,000. You can see it here. It has separate cost of 24,000 plus GST. It is a 1 month of training separately. You will get both of these courses with the 2 month of paid internship where you will get 6,000 rupee additionally with no additional cost, right? You just have to pay for this digital marketing standard course. You will get AI based course free of cost without paying any extra fees. Plus, you will get 2 months of paid internship where you will getting return 6,000 rupee as a stipend in your account after completing that internship, right? So all these things you will get at the price of 35,282 rupees, and that is only for today. The people who enroll today after this session, they'll be able to go ahead and grab this particular offer. So I just wanted to know and want to show you first that all batches we have two batches. One is weekday batch starting from 11 July. The timing will be Tuesday and Thursday, 2 days a week, 8 to 9:30. It is evening hours. So all the people working 9 to 5, they can do it in evening, 8 to 9:30, Tuesday, Thursday. People who are looking for a like available on weekend, they can just do it on Saturday, every Saturday, 10 to 1. Right? So if you are someone who is free on weekend, you can do it on Saturday 10 to 1. If you are someone who's not even free on Saturdays, they can do it in weekdays evening after office hours, 8 to 9:30. Right? And if you are a person available on both the days, you can choose any of the batch to go ahead and learn it. Right now, the fees is 29,000 plus GST, which is total 35,000, but it is going to be 41,000 very soon. Right? So all the people who are looking to enroll in the current batches, can you just help me out which batch you want? We have last 3 to 4 seats available in both the batches. So I can ask my team to connect with you. Can I have a quick response from you guys? Which batch you want? Weekdays or Saturday? Quickly mention in the chat box. If it is weekdays, just simply write weekdays. If it is Saturday, simply write Saturday. Okay, Tushar is looking for weekdays. Okay, Zion is already enrolled for Saturday batch. That's great. Ujjwal is looking for weekdays. See, Sushma is looking for weekdays. Sunny is looking for weekdays. So Hussein is also looking for weekdays. Okay, so I believe majority is there for weekdays. Most of the people are looking for. So I just like ask you guys, like as we have only last 2, 3 seats left in that. So I just ask you to don't wait for it. I'm giving you the link here, right? You can simply go on this link and enroll yourself here, right? What about others? I only get the reply from Tushar, Ujjwal, Sushma, Sunny, Hussein, Shravani. So I just suggest like other people if they can share what batch they want. Okay, so Tahreem is looking for weekend batch. Okay, so if you want any of the batch, weekday or weekend, you just can simply go on the link I have given you just now in the chat. You can complete your enrollment there and you can book your seat and reserve your seat for this upcoming batches, right? Anyone here who is not decided the batch yet? If yes, they can just simply say not decided or looking for future batches. If they are not looking for these dates, 11th and 14th, 15 July, so they can just simply say that they are looking for a future batches. So what I have one option for them where they can register with the given offer of artificial intelligence course free of cost at only 999 rupees by paying the booking amount. Rest amount you can pay when you start the batch. Let's suppose you are starting a batch in August, right? And you want to register yourself with AI course free of cost, because it's not going to be free and the fee is going to be revised at 41,000 rupees soon. So if you want to book your seat with the given price at 35,000 with AI course for future batches, you can pay your 999 rupees here to book your seat, and rest amount you can pay later. And for the people who are looking for these recent batches, 11 and 15, I request them to use the first link, which is for the complete fee. I'm just mentioning it again here, right? For current batches, they can use this link. And for booking upcoming batches, they can just pay the booking amount to avail the current offer, which I have just given in this session. With current offering. Right? So you guys can go ahead on these links. You can save this link, complete your registration. Is the registration? Yes, it's totally Vishaka, Svanshika. So don't worry about it. So registration amount you pay, you can get it back by any chance if you don't start, right? But yes, for the people who just want to start quickly with these batches, 11 July and 15 July, the weekdays and Saturdays, they can pay the current batch for the current batch, right? So guys, I'm looking forward to your enrollment now and see you in the batches as well. I hope you find this session useful, right? And any query, any question you guys have, you can ask me here. The people who are clear and want to start the course, they can just pay the fee, can join the course, right? Or if you have any query and doubt, you can just ask me here. Okay, so I'm assuming that there will be no more queries that you guys have. So I request everyone that if you find this session useful, you can go ahead and get the access of it. Yes, then you will be getting the access. What is the scope in the longer run? What are the job growth opportunity apart from agencies? Do bigger companies hire a digital marketer? See, Vanshika, the answer is yes. Why I am saying this? Because all the big companies, they have their in-house digital marketing teams as well, who collaborate or who work in the association with those agencies as well, whom they hire, right? Their owner or their, you can say their like team members won't talk to them. Their digital marketing team take a follow up with those people, what those agencies are doing even. So let's suppose if I am a very big company and I have an agency for myself who is taking care of my digital marketing initiative. So even still, I need a digital marketing team who will be working closely with those companies or those agencies, taking the follow up, understanding what they are doing, right? Checking their progresses. So you have a in-house team. Every company, you don't need to worry about. You just type any company in today's time. If that company is visible on the internet, they have a digital marketers, right? So you just not need to worry about that part, Vanshika, because digital marketing is right now, which is something accepted by most of the businesses. For one short example, if I give you, then before company take 10 years, 12 years, 15 years to take a growth or to have a, that kind of presence in the market. Right, but now what is happening? Company coming in 1 year, 2 year, and they are booming like companies, or they are like leaving behind those companies who are in the industry from past 10, 15 years. How? By just accepting digital marketing, right? You just name Byju's are here, like there are companies like You can say Oyo is here, right? Make My Trip, Yatra. These companies are working since ages. They are working 15, 20 years. MMT accepted digital marketing very well. So they are having a client base. Yatra is not that much accepted by the online people. But yes, if I talk about Oyo, then it is accepted worldwide. People are using Oyo, people are using Airbnb, right? Because they have their online strong presences. Tushar Sharma, I have one query. Is digital marketing course with AI digital marketing course, which I can see through website, are any different or both course same? Which I can see through your website, are any different? Both course are digital marketing course is different. Digital marketing, AI based digital marketing is different. There are two courses, but you are getting both. If you are paying for today using this link, which I have given you, you will be getting both the courses, right? So you not have to pay separately for any course, right? So you're getting the price of 60,000 plus, both the courses you will be getting at a price of one course, which is 35,000 only. Don't worry, Zen, that will be added to your course, right? So as you're already a student, so that will be added to your course. Right, Vanshika? So I hope that answers your query. Okay, I don't have a reply from Vanshika, but I believe I have solved her query till the extent I can to make her understand what is exactly going to be. Okay, Michelle, what is the highest CDC offered and experienced professional? See, actually, Michelle, there is a no limit, like what I can tell you, because people from different countries has a different standard package. Even if I'll say the standard package in UAE, it is different. Standard package in India, it is different. Standard package in US and UK, it is completely different, right? So if I'll talk about highest what an experienced professional is getting, that there are people who are working at a like packages like some thousands dollars, right? There are people who are working like in Indian rupees. If I'll talk about, there are students who will be able to get placed as a fresher at a package of more than 9 lakh as well. A fresher able to place at 9 lakh. Which country are you from, Michelle? Can I get placement in UAE as a fresher? Absolutely, you definitely can go ahead and can apply for those opportunity, and we help you to connect with those opportunity, and you able to get it. In UAE, the standard salaries for digital marketing is somewhere around 6,000 to 7,000 AED, right? Which is somewhere around 1.2 to 1.4 lakhs. So there is opportunity worldwide, right? Yes, absolutely, Vanshika. Sir, if we pay today the whole amount, then from which date we can join? It is starting from 11 and it is starting from 15. We have two batches, 11 July and 15 July, right? So you have to join these batches if you want to start as early as possible. Okay, so Michelle, I believe I asked you about your like country. Which country are you from? Oh, you're from India itself. Oh, that's fine. So I believe in India, the standard salaries is somewhere around 3 lakh to 5 lakh, right? And the people who are more than average, who are having with better, like they have better skills, they have like applied it very well, they gain better experience throughout their journey, right? They build better results than others. Let's suppose in same class you are 20 student, right? But 20 student are not going to do similar kind of hard work, right? So there are people who are exceptionally well. Similar way is your in your schooling and all. You have people who are pilot, who are scientists, who are engineers, who are digital marketers, who are not doing even anything, right? So similar way in our training program, we will found the 20 different people who are putting different energies, who are putting different efforts, right? So standard package is 3 to 5. Like if you come out with this particular program with standard average skills, you will get somewhere around 3 lakh to 5 lakh. If you come out with exceptionally well skills, you practice everything very well, right? And then you'll be able to accept even more, somewhere around 5 lakh, 7 lakh. It is for fresher I am talking about. I am not talking about it for experience. Experienced people get the job based on their skill sets, right? They don't get job done for a particular one skill. They get it for their experience, what they have already, plus what new skill they have added. Sir, I am a student, so there are chances of good. Absolutely. That's why we are helping you with creating a portfolio and all everything. That is all for freshers. So that being a fresher, you can go in the industry and can tap all the opportunities and get those opportunities. After completing the course, can we get internship opportunity in Dubai? Absolutely. We have many students already doing the course or completed the course from Dubai. They are doing our internship from Dubai itself, right? So don't worry about it. Sir, I am a graduate in commerce with no prior knowledge or experience in this skill, still be able to get good opportunities, right? See, Vanshika, you have to understand one thing very specifically, that digital marketing is a complete skill. It is not something which is dependent on any other skill. People who are in accounts, people who are in, like, let's suppose joining some account job, or if you, let's suppose you are joining some like engineering related job or some coding related job, then what people expect, that you must have a that kind of background, because it is easier for you to understand, right? But in digital marketing, this is the best part. You don't need any prerequisite. What is the only thing you need? To have a good understanding of internet, how to use the internet, and then you have a basic knowledge of how to use your laptop or computer, and then rest all things you'll be able to manage and learn through within the course. You don't need any prerequisite learning, right? Let's suppose if I want to become a CA, or I want to become an accountant, I need a prerequisite that I must have a accounts in my 11th 12th kind of classes, or I must have learned tally or something to work in that industry, right? But in digital marketing, is it not required? In digital marketing, your previous education background doesn't matter much. If you have a good skills of digital marketing, which you will acquire through this particular course, will be enough for you to crack the opportunity. See, absolutely, Zain, your total learning or education is going to be related to the marketing, right? You will be doing BBA, business administration, then you will be going for a MBA. There you must be having marketing in your subjects, right? In MBA. Perfect. So I don't think there will be any gap in your scope of learning, because if you already going for a marketing related courses or marketing related post graduation, then in today's time, no marketer is a marketer until that person is not aware about digital marketing, right? So let's suppose if I am, okay, saying myself a marketer in today's generation, I cannot be a marketer unless I am not aware about digital marketing, because this is the era of digital, right? Most of the organization are growing digitally only. They even don't spend on the, like, their, you can say, traditional marketing. They just build themselves from zero to hero only using digital, right? I believe you relate with this thing particularly, that yes, learning the MBA, learning the traditional method and all will definitely boost or create your mindset more wider in this industry. But yes, until unless you don't learn digital marketer, any organization will hesitate to hire you. We have various students who did their MBAs from prestige colleges, and after they are struggling to get a job. Why? Because they don't have a skill set. They have a MBA, they have a like marketing skills in traditional way, like ATL, BTL, they are aware about all those things, but they are not ready with the digital platforms. So they come up with us, they did our courses, and they again hit the industry to get a job, right? So updating yourself with all the marketing technique is required if you are working in marketing to produce results. So it will be definitely something which will be fruitful to you. So don't worry about it. Right? So I believe I have answered all the queries, guys. So still you guys have any query, you can ask me, or you can connect with your education counselor who help you to register for this session or to get understanding about digital marketing course that we have. Or I have given you the link already. You can complete your enrollment to get enrolled yourself in the course. People who not decided the batches and want future batches, they can enroll with the small fee of 999 and can book their offer which I have given you today. Okay, guys, thanks. I hope hope this helps, and everything which you have asked me, I'll be able to answer you in a way that exactly you required, right? And this session is going to be valuable for you. So thank you guys. Thanks for your time. Have a great day ahead, and looking forward to see you in our training classes. Good day. Bye.